Boys, do you want to date the most reliable woman out there? Will a halfway grin towards her melt her heart? Then your assumption is wrong. There are a lot of ways beyond your imagination that could make a woman fall for you entirely. What are the striking qualities that a man should possess that make them more interesting from other common man? What are today's women's expectations of their ideal man for a date? How do some basic personality changes in men make them more attracted to women? Let's start the video with an example. A woman sitting in a cafe dreaming about her ideal man. Suddenly, a man with an attractive physique comes and tries to impress her by blabbering a few pickup lines and starts to show off. Do you think today's women who are way smarter would fall for this? Definitely not. Women need men that act real and wise. Faking attitude gets zero value here. Let's hook into the 3 qualities required for a man to get the dream girl of his life. 1. Building your self-esteem and self-confidence. Women always fall for men like Tony Stark, James Bond, and Bruce Wayne from the movie world. What make these men attractive? Of course, the way they carry themselves and the confidence that make them rule over other men. A man who desires to get love from the girl he wants should approach her directly without any fear, with a smile on his face. Making eye contact and expressing your love for her could create an impact that you are way confident beyond her imagination. A man with a purpose often tends to be attractive. Boys, you need to have a dream to achieve something in life. Passionate boys who work really hard and achieve capability in a particular field could really boost their confidence level. Talking to a woman regarding your vision in life could make you more interesting, and they will be tempted in knowing more about you. As we all know, first impressions really matter. Adopting a confident body language could make any woman fall head over heels for you. 2. Hygiene and your appearance. Cleanliness plays an important role concerned with the dating aspect. Would a girl ever date a boy who smells awful, or will she date a man who has great fragrance? Let me get into this with an example. Lisa, a very thoughtful and beautiful woman, is on a date with Mr. Matthew in the San Andrews Beach Cafe. He possessed very good qualities, a true gentleman meeting her expectations, but their date, however, got ruined. The reason is this. Will a girl ever date a man whose armpits reek of onions? That's what happened here. Having great hygiene should be an important rule that the boys should strictly follow, and I bet you girls first see hygiene as an indicator for judging a man and decide whether to date him or not. Appearance doesn't mean that you need a certain fair complexion and have to wear branded clothes. Girls don't pay attention to the name of the brand tagged in your dress. A great physique, as well as wearing clothes in a stylish way. Stylish here means dressing the way that suits you, more so the girls don't take their eyes from you. 3. The way you treat them. Talk less, listen more. When you do this, you make her feel special and more interesting instead of just boasting several things about yourself. It doesn't mean that you should not talk at all, but give more priority to her. This could also make her think more about you and see you as a man of mystery who still has a lot to reveal about your life. An honest man is more preferred by a woman, as a true and genuine man knows how to respect a woman without deceiving or manipulating her. As we all know, honesty and trust is the base for every real relationship. A woman will be blessed to get a man who remains true to his ethics. Talking not just about your dreams and passion, feel free to know what they want in life. Her view of life and giving opinions to it could make her feel that you are with her. This could not only attract her towards you, but you yourself become a much better person. Tell her how you feel. This is an important aspect. You should never feel shy to express the love you have for her. Even if it sounds a little cliche, it can really benefit you, as it could turn the wheels of your romance with her. So, what are your suggestions regarding the steps required to attract a woman? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and be sure to hit that like button too.